Dental bridges are a common dental treatment option for individuals who have missing teeth. They are designed to bridge the gap created by missing teeth and restore the appearance and functionality of the teeth. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of dental bridges and why they are a popular choice for many patients. 1. Improved appearance. One of the main benefits of dental bridges is that they can greatly improve the appearance of your smile. Having missing teeth can be a source of embarrassment for many people, and a dental bridge can help restore the natural appearance of your teeth and smile. Bridges are custom made to match the color, size, and shape of your existing teeth, so they blend in seamlessly with the rest of your smile. 2. Restored functionality. In addition to improving the appearance of your smile, dental bridges also restore the functionality of your teeth. Missing teeth can make it difficult to chew and speak properly, and can also lead to jaw pain and discomfort. By filling in the gap with a dental bridge, you can regain the ability to eat and speak normally, and alleviate any pain or discomfort associated with missing teeth. 3. Prevents shifting of teeth. When you have a missing tooth, the surrounding teeth can start to shift and move out of their proper positions. This can lead to misalignment of the teeth, bite problems, and even jaw issues. By filling in the gap with a dental bridge, you can prevent the surrounding teeth from shifting and maintain the alignment of your teeth and jaw. 4. Long-lasting solution. Dental bridges are a durable and long-lasting solution for missing teeth. With proper care and maintenance, a dental bridge can last for many years and provide you with a permanent replacement for your missing tooth. Unlike dentures, which may need to be replaced or adjusted over time, dental bridges are a more permanent and reliable option for tooth replacement. 5. Boosts confidence. Having missing teeth can take a toll on your self-esteem and confidence. Many people feel self-conscious about their smile and may avoid social situations or hide their smile in photos. By getting a dental bridge to replace your missing tooth, you can boost your confidence and feel more comfortable and self-assured in your appearance. Dental bridges offer a range of benefits for individuals with missing teeth. They can improve the appearance of your smile, restore functionality to your teeth, prevent shifting of teeth, provide a long-lasting solution, and boost your confidence. If you have one or more missing teeth and are considering your tooth replacement options, dental bridges may be a great choice for you. Be sure to consult with your dentist to discuss whether a dental bridge is the right treatment option for your specific needs and circumstances.